Hi friends, let me show you this executive office chair that I received for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it's a really nice chair. It goes perfectly with my office, with my glass and metal desk. It's modern. It has all this support for your back and this for your legs. Even these padded supports for your arms. So it feels comfortable. It has an accessory here. You can have it to rock like this, or close it so it won't go back. And of course, you can change the height. I use it in the highest level because that's how I can work more comfortable. And I think this chair looks nice. Thank you.